guys, check this out, check this out. Boy, oh boy, I have a good video for you guys. But first of all, let me turn on my Philips back light bulb. There we go. Hopefully, I hope you guys like the setup because it's taking me ages to make this setup happen. But yeah, anyway, today for you guys, I'm so excited because I'm going to be looking at a product that has actually reached out to me, a small YouTube channel like me, to actually ask me if they can send me out a product to make a video on. And obviously, me being me and being excited about the whole thing, I said yes. And first I thought it was a gimmick, but it came through and it's right here. This is a smart plug and it's from a company called Nooie or Nooie. I'm not too sure how you say it and I'm so sorry guys if I butchered the name. But yeah, we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna review it. And yeah, we're gonna see what it's all about. So let's get straight right into the video. You guys already know this video is gonna be lit because it's iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. Boy oh boy, today I'm so happy because like I said, we're gonna be reviewing this. So without further ado, before we unbox it, I just want to say a big shout out to Nooie for actually sending me this product out. Yeah, I never thought it would happen. I never thought I would be sent a product to actually make a video on my YouTube channel and it being so small as well. So yeah, I just want to say a big massive thank you for them for sending this out to me. Again, it's not a sponsored video. They've just sent me out to obviously give my thoughts and, you know, share it with my audience on my YouTube space. And yeah, just to see you guys, see what you guys think, and obviously if I think it's a good product, then you guys definitely should go buy it. Anyway guys, if you want more companies to reach out to me and send me products to make videos on, then hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well so that we can get this channel up and running and make it bigger so that we can get companies sending stuff out. Anyway, let's get straight right into the unboxing. Right, so here we go. Just a quick little run around the box just to show you guys what to expect. So obviously in the pack here we get 4 in here, so you can smart plug 4 things or 4 items in your household, which is really nice. Back of the box as well, you can see exactly what you can actually plug in and actually take advantage of with these smart plugs, which is really nice. It supports up to 2.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Obviously it's app controlled as well, and it's voice controlled, so you can control it with your Alexa or your Google Home. And also it's scheduled and it's scheduled and also has a timer as well, so you can time it when it should turn on the appliance that you got plugged in. And you can just mess around with the timing and all that stuff, so when you come back home something comes on in the house with this smart plug. So let's get straight right into it. Let's unbox it. Let's cut the seal. There we go, and boom. Right, let's see what we have in here. By the way, first of all, I've never heard of this brand before. Never heard of this brand before at all, but this is my first time. So yeah, whatever I say in this video would be my first, and be my honest review as well. So as you can see here, we have some paperwork here telling you a little bit about it, you know, how to set it up and stuff like that, which I will be using. And you guys know on this channel, I don't really look at the paperwork, but for this, I'm gonna have to do that. But yeah, at the back here, we have a little bit more information as well over there. So yeah, you got your barcodes for easy access to apps, to download the app real quick, which is nice. We'll be looking at that. And then looking at the actual smart plugs, they're very clean, very simple. They literally just look like just a normal extension plug that you plug into the wall, which is really nice. You can see right there. It looks absolutely beautiful. Look at it. Has a nice slick design, which is just really nice. I really like that. Obviously, we're in the UK, so we have the 3-pin plug for the UK as well. And yeah, and then on the side here, as you can hear, I believe that might be a reset button, but I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, like I said, you get 4 of these in here. So you got 1, 2, 3. And you got the 4th one right there, which is really nice. But yeah, anyways, let me set these bad boys up, plug it into an extension, and then go from there. Also, one little neat thing that I saw as well is the nice little logo that's imprinted on the top of it there, which is right there, as you can see. It's really nice. I like that little touch, you know, branding and, you know, branding up their stuff, which is really nice. Right, so I've got my extension lead right here, which is a little bit dirty, but let's just plug it in. There we go, she's plugged in, and now I'll use the nice little helping note that they actually have here to be able to download the app onto the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Still got it, still using it, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, let's get it. So literally you get onto the app, you get onto the phone, no, to your camera app, As you can see there, literally all you do is scan the barcode and boom, here we go. And it takes you straight into the App Store to download the app. I don't know if you guys can see this, maybe the light, it might be too bright, I'm not sure, but there's actually an indicator there, which is flashing. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's flashing like a blue color, which I'm guessing means it's in pairing mode. Right, so guys, it's all set up and plugged into my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So it's so easy to set up. All you have to do is put in your Wi-Fi information on the actual app so you can connect the actual plug to the Wi-Fi, and all you have to do is just press and hold that button that I showed you guys. You press and hold it for at least 5 seconds, and the light will start to blink, will start to flash, and then that's pairing mode, and it just automatically just pairs up with your phone, and they connect, they sync, and it does it very, very quickly as well. So there's no delay time in actually syncing it, like the Google Home. I mean, the Google Chrome, I've had problems with that when I'm trying to sync it up and it just takes forever. But with this, literally boom, boom, as soon as that light starts to flick on and blink, it connects straight away, and it's absolutely beautiful. I've got my phone charger plugged into it at the moment, but I will be plugging in my Nano Leafs, which is up there. I'm going to be plugging that in as well so we can just see how the app works. Anyway, first of all, I'm going to plug in my phone first, and then just plug it in. Right now is off at the moment. So I like the fact that it completely just shuts off, because obviously there's what do you call it? There's power actually coming into the into my extension lead here from the power source, which is nice. But the fact that this is actually blocking all signal from reaching the top of this charging brick over here, which is really, really nice. So my phone is not charging at all, as you can see. So let me just, yep, there we go. Phone is not charging, as you can see on the top there. You would know if it's charging if you have an iPhone, but yeah, it's not charging at all. But when I go into the app, and I'll show you guys what the app actually looks like. So as you can see, I have this plug actually set up at the moment, which is right there. And just watch while I turn it on, and just watch the battery do its animation up there. So I'm just gonna turn it on, and boom, as you can see, we are charging up there, which is really nice. And also it does make a noise as well, and the actual plug makes a noise as well when you actually turn it off and on. So I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it, but that's me flicking it on and off. Anyway, it's still on. Now let's turn it off, and you can see, okay, off, boom. And as you can see, my phone is not charging anymore, which is really nice. Anyways, that's really nice. I like that. And obviously you can control it with your Alexa or your Google Home if you have it plugged in. Mine isn't plugged in at the moment because obviously I just moved in here and trying to sort a few things out, but it's very, very nice. I'm not sure if it actually works for Siri. I'm not too sure, but now I'm gonna plug it with my Nano Leaf. So I'm just gonna unplug this, plug my Nano Leafs in. It doesn't come on. You guys can't see it, but you can just kind of just see a little bit of it just right there. But as soon as I turn it on, boom, it's loading up, it's turning on, it's turning on. So as you can see, it's come on, it's really, really good. I love it. If it's something that needs to boot up, then just bear in mind that it needs to boot up. It will turn on, but it just needs to boot up. But yeah guys, solid piece of tech. I absolutely love this thing. I'm gonna be plugging every single one of them and dotting them around the whole of this house so that I can access and turn things on with just a click of a button. And also when I obviously have my Alexa set up, so I can literally just say, hey Alexa, turn the TV on or turn whatever on that I have this thing plugged into. It's really, really nice. But the only thing I'm gonna say about this plug is when you plug it in, it is very bulky. It is very, very bulky, as you can see. It's pretty much the same kind of height and the same kind of size of whatever you want to plug into this. And obviously, if you're going to plug something else in it, like my phone charger, just know that that's the size of what you'll be working with, and that's huge. There's a big height to it when you actually plug in the smart plug into the extension lead or the out plug, and actually plug in what you want to plug in. So if you're working with a very small tight space and you want to put the extension in a small place so that you can't really see it or you're trying to hide it or something like that, just know that there's going to be a good few, there's probably like about 3 inches there, 3-4 inches there height. So you just got to be careful where you want to put this extension lead or actually plug this in and stuff like that. But yeah, that is literally my only problem with this. They could have made it like nice and smaller, like slim profile, but other than that, it's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful plug. And yeah, honestly, they smashed that at the park. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Again, thank you so much to Nooie for actually sending this product out to me to actually make a video on it. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment down below and tell me if you know about this plug and if you have one of your own. And also tell me what you think about the plug as well and tell me if you like the video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, like I said, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.